Learn and understand the value and the power of IIoT. Join ShookIOT with their series of educational Industrial Internet of Things workshops. This workshop aims to provide attendees with a clear definition around the Industrial Internet of Things, an understanding of the capabilities and boundaries, the benefits of developing and implementing, and how to get a successful IIoT program started. The Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, is also known as Industry 4.0, which brings together brilliant machines, advanced analytics, and people at work. A digital transformation is underway, driving huge change across all industries globally. Together, Microsoft and ShookIOT provide better innovation, intelligence, and insight to IIoT. This IIoT workshop was designed and developed by ShookIOT, a company with more than 100 years of experience in industrial automation, control systems, and business enterprise operational and IT systems. This IIoT workshop is meant for industrial and business professionals who wish to come up to speed with this new technology and to use it within their own industries and business. This IIoT workshop is a combination of presentations, open discussion, group working sessions, as well as hands-on exercises. The topics that we will cover are: what is IoT? Why is it important? Is it right for my organization? How do I implement IIoT? What issues do I need to consider? And who else is using IIoT? Data should be useful and IIoT should be simple. ShookIOT believes that companies are spending too much money on their data and are getting too little value out of it. We have been helping our clients simplify and organize their industrial data by bridging the gap between OT, operational technology, and IT, information technology, to accelerate their IIoT digital transformation for over 20 years. Get the answers that you've been looking for. What is IIoT and how does it affect my business? How can it accelerate and simplify my IIoT digital transformation journey? Successful digital transformation takes an entire organization moving together in the same direction with the same goals. All levels of the organization will benefit from the educational IIoT workshop series from ShookIOT.